Hello, it's me again, Tia. Anyway, it's actually 9:08 p.m. here, California time. At medyo pagod na ako. Kasi kagagaling ko lang po ng trabaho. Siguro, nakaisip na ako ng mas magandang idea for my YouTube. Siguro mag-vlog na lang ako about my daily activities na ginagawa ko every day. And actually, for today it was kind of bad because marami akong ginawa and masyadong nakakapagod and medyo inihingal na nga ako ano pa ba, kamusta naman kayo? Hopefully na nakakain na kayo, nakaligo na, lahat-lahat na nagawa niyo na. So, kung may mga suggestions kayo na gusto niyo ibigay sa akin kung paano ako magsasucceed as a YouTuber, then I would gladly appreciate that. Any comments po, I'll take it as a constructive criticism. Pero wag naman pong hate comments para wag naman po tayong magsakitan. And anyway, I just have a question. With glasses or without glasses? Kasi I really have malabo talaga mata ko. So I actually need glasses so I can see better. So hopefully I still look good with this one and I don't look like a teacher. And not that I have anything against teachers, it's just that malabo talagang glasses ang mata ko. I'm sorry, mata ko, kaya I need glasses. So do I look good with glasses or without? Pag wala akong glasses, medyo malabo, hindi ako makakita. Ano pa ba? Hindi pa ako makain. So, that's the first. Usually, pag umuwi ako, kumakain kaagad ako. And, ano pa ba? And, yun lang. For my first day, actually. This is my second video for my first day na mag-upload sa YouTube. Kayo naman po, ano naman po ang daily activities nyo? Kung meron kayong gusto i-share, mag-comment lang po kayo. Kung meron po kayong gusto i-suggest, mag-comment din po kayo. Kasi dun lang po ako mag-grow kung paano ako ma-expand yung account ko. So, anyway, hopefully ma-enjoy nyo tong little video that I'm making right now. And like I said, I am very, very tired. I don't know if you can tell by my eyes that I'm tired, but I am. So hopefully you will see me again soon. Probably I won't upload any videos this week because I have to actually do a lot of things for the whole week this week. And I can't wait na talagang maging I should say, what should I say? Makeup guru. Kasi mahilig ako sa makeup pero I don't know how to apply makeup correctly. Yun ang kailangan ko matutunan. Kaya marami ako napapanood sa YouTube na mga talagang magagaling sila. So I learned from them and maybe hopefully in the future I can do it on my own. So na ma-inspire ko naman kayo. Please subscribe po. And this is for Tagalog tutorial. Kasi po Filipina ako. And that's it. I don't know what else to say. I'm out of words. Ano pa ba? Bukas. No. I just said. Okay. Maybe next time na lang ulit. Because I'm running out of ideas. So, next time po, baka i-review ko yung binili ko na na Smashbox na BB cream din, because I bought Smashbox BB cream from Sephora, and maganda po talaga, maganda siya para sa skin tone ko. So hopefully I can do a tutorial, not a tutorial, but a review on that one on my next video upload. Maraming salamat po ulit, at saka magandang gabi na lang po. Bye bye.